Did you know the fusion process generates millions of times more energy than burning fossil fuels? I'm Professor Amy Gandy, and here is all you need to know about fusion. Fusion is the process that powers the stars. We can replicate that process here on Earth by fusing together small gas particles using very strong magnetic fields. Those gas particles are like hydrogen. They're called deuterium and tritium. And the way in which we can fuse them together is we have to heat them up to 10 times hotter than the core of the sun, 150 million degrees Celsius. And this then allows us to use really strong magnets to fuse those gas particles together, resulting in the fusion process. When those gas particles fuse together, they produce another particle called a neutron. And it's this neutron that's got very high energy that can ultimately be used to generate electricity. It does this by colliding with the internal structure of the fusion power station, and those collisions heat up the materials in the fusion core, and that heat is then taken away, used to boil water, which generates steam, which drives a turbine, and that generates electricity. Fusion can help address climate change because it doesn't produce harmful greenhouse gases during the fusion process. The UK has come a really long way in developing fusion technologies, and we're now in a really exciting phase. For example, up at West Burton, the Spherical Tokamak for Energy Production programme, STEP, is going to, in the coming decades, demonstrate that we can generate electricity using the fusion process. Fusion will create many jobs across the supply chain, not just in undertaking the research that's required, but also, for example, at West Burton, thousands of people are going to be required to build and commission and operate the fusion power station for decades to come. Whilst fusion is an emerging technology, it has many benefits now to the UK economy and industries, because many of the technologies we are developing for fusion can be directly applied to adjacent technologies and industries, such as artificial intelligence, aerospace, decommissioning, the fire industry, and many, many more.